In the highly regulated biopharma and pharma industries, ensuring compliance with data integrity standards and regulatory requirements is essential. Computer System Validation, or CSV, ensures that software systems perform reliably and consistently. Meanwhile, electronic records and electronic signatures, known as ERS verification, governed by FDA 21 CFR Part 11 and EU GMP Annex 11, plays a critical role in maintaining data integrity, security, and accountability. ERES verification ensures systems comply with regulatory guidelines like FDA 21 CFR Part 11, which governs the use of electronic records and electronic signatures to ensure they are as trustworthy, reliable, and equivalent to paper records. It also adheres to EU GMP Annex 11, which provides guidelines for computerized systems to ensure data integrity and electronic compliance in GMP environments. Non-compliance can lead to regulatory warnings, fines, or manufacturing shutdowns. ERES ensures the authenticity, accuracy, and reliability of electronic data generated during manufacturing and quality processes. E-signatures provide accountability and traceability by linking users to records and actions. Key principles like ALCOAPL+, attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, complete, consistent, enduring, and available, are supported by ERS verification. Electronic signatures create a digital footprint, ensuring accountability for who performed or approved each action. Audit trails ensure transparency and track changes, additions, or deletions to electronic records, which is vital for GMP compliance. Electronic records and signatures streamline processes, reducing reliance on paper documentation. Faster approvals and reviews help in accelerating production timelines while ensuring compliance. Validated electronic systems ensure the accuracy of critical data used in manufacturing, quality testing, and release of pharmaceutical products. ERES verification guarantees the reliability of data related to product quality and patient safety. ERES verification addresses data security risks, such as unauthorized access, data falsification, or tampering. It supports controlled access, user authentication, and encrypted records to safeguard data integrity. Electronic records verification ensures that electronic records are accurate, complete, secure, and traceable. Examples of records include batch production records, laboratory testing results, and equipment calibration data. Electronic signature verification ensures that electronic signatures are unique to the individual, securely linked to the record, and legally equivalent to handwritten signatures. Verification includes user ID and password checks, as well as time-stamped authentication to record who signed, what was signed, and when. Audit trail verification ensures that audit trails are enabled and validated to record all changes, including data creation, modifications, deletions, user IDs, and timestamps. Audit trails ensure traceability and data integrity. Access control and security involves verification of user roles, permissions, and authentication methods to prevent unauthorized access to records and signatures. Validation of system functionality ensures that systems meet technical requirements for storing, retrieving, and securing electronic records and signatures, as well as regulatory requirements adhering to FDA and GMP standards. During computer system validation, or CSV, ERES verification typically involves several key steps. First, there's risk assessment, where systems requiring compliance with ERES regulations are identified. This includes systems like LIMS, MES, SCADA systems, and electronic batch records. Next, we move on to requirement specification. Here, the requirements for secure login and access control, audit trails, and electronic signature authentication are defined, along with data retention and retrieval. Then comes testing and validation. This step verifies user authentication and login credentials, ensures the proper recording of electronic signatures, such as timestamps and IDs, and checks audit trail functionality to capture all changes. Documentation is another crucial aspect. It's important to ensure traceability through validation protocols, including IQ, OKey, and PQ, as well as user acceptance testing, or UAT, and ERES compliance reports. Lastly, training and SOPs are essential. Users must be trained on system use and their responsibilities regarding electronic records and signatures. Several regulations drive ERES verification. The FDA's 21 CFR Part 11 governs electronic records and signatures in GMP-compliant environments. It requires system validation, secure and attributable electronic signatures, full audit trails, and controlled access. EU GMP Annex 11 focuses on computerized systems for data integrity and compliance. Additionally, ICH Q7 and Q9 provide further guidelines for GMP and risk-based approaches. There are numerous benefits to ERES verification in CSV. First and foremost, compliance ensures adherence to regulatory requirements. Data integrity protects electronic data from unauthorized changes. Efficiency reduces paper-based processes and accelerates approval cycles. Traceability provides clear audit trails and accountability. Lastly, scalability supports digital transformation in manufacturing processes. ERES verification is a critical component of computer system validation in the biopharma and pharma industry. It ensures regulatory compliance, data integrity, and patient safety. By implementing robust electronic records and electronic signature processes, organizations can streamline operations, meet FDA and EU GMP requirements, and protect critical data while embracing digital innovation. Ensuring that ERES functionalities are validated during CSV helps pharmaceutical companies maintain a high level of confidence in their systems and meet global regulatory expectations.